Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 develop error0xD8E46539.
Fix 1. Restart game and PC Step 1. Close Call of Duty. Black OPS 6 Step 2. Restart your PC Step 3. Launch the game again. Fix 2. Verify game file Step 1. Open Steam Battle. Net Step 2. Go to Library Black OPS 6 Step 3. Verify, scan and repair game files. Fix 3. Update graphics drivers Step 1. Open NVIDIA AMD software Step 2. Check for latest driver updates Step 3. Install and restart PC. Fix 4. Disable overlays Step 1. Turn off Discord overlays Step 2. Disable Steam GeForce overlays Step 3. Relaunch the game. Fix 5. Run game as administrator Step 1. Right. Click GameX Step 2. Click Run as administrator. Fix 6. Lower graphics settings Step 1. Open in Game Settings Step 2. Set graphics to medium low Step 3. Disable ray tracing. Fix 7. Disable overclocking Step 1. Reset CPU or GPU to default Step 2. Close MSI Afterburner or similar tools.